closed cylindrical tube containing some water lies in a horizontal plane. Okay, so this is the tube. Okay, there is a water inside this. Now it is rotated about a perpendicular bisector. Okay, so it is rotated along this, like this. Okay, it is rotated like this. Okay, then the moment of inertia of water about the axis. Now if it is rotated, what is going to happen? The mass is going to go towards the ends of the cylinder, right? We know why it is going to get towards the end of the axis, because the radial forces. Okay, so then because of that, what will happen? More mass will go further, so that means moment of inertia will increase. So B will be the correct option.